We want to welcome you to this exciting presentation. We believe what you will see tonight will really change your perspective for the future. Question: do you want to unlock your potential in life? Perhaps even more successful in life and earn an ongoing income? Then you're at the right place. Welcome to Hope Expanders. What can you get from this company? You buy your first product for only $10 and you receive the product, Unlock Your Potential. It will be on the learning management system, the recordings, the PowerPoints, and the PDFs available to you for life. And we will show you exactly how to unlock your awesome potential. And you can start earning an ongoing passive stream of income. All of this for only $10. Can you believe that? $10 plus the $2 gas fee. You also become an ambassador of hope for those in need, and you help us to help others in need. Our disclaimer: this presentation is intended for informational purposes only, does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. Participation, as always, is voluntary. Success and earnings are not guaranteed in any way. By participating, members agree to indemnify and hold Hope Expanders, its officers, and its members harmless against any claims or disputes. So how does it work? You can buy the Silver Ambassador product from $10 onwards, or you can buy into other accelerator products with more expensive prices like the Sapphire, the Gold, whatever you want to do. If you say, for instance, buy the Sapphire, this will fast track you quicker through the whole system and you will earn quicker and more. As always, no selling, no recruiting, no spending more out of pocket. If you just want to join and enjoy, you are so welcome. So who is Hope Expanders? We are a legally registered company in South Africa. And like in any other business, we sell, you buy your product, you receive your product, and we make profit. Isn't that what business is all about? The transaction is done. But the difference is we use some of our business profit to supply food for the poor and for hungry children. And we give back commission to customers, empowering them for success. Your $10 subscription fee starts from month 2, but you can rest assured it's subtracted from your commissions, not out of pocket. Our lovely Alicia Kingery is our CEO, and she's on the call. Thank you, Alicia, for being here. We have a marketing department. We are assisted by an accounting company and a law firm. Let's just look at our health products. Before we get there, can you remember the price of the health products? You remember it was in the market at a very competitive price of $65 on the mall. So just fasten your safety belts. We still have the Power Fix, Brain Enhancement, Energy Booster Plus, Stress Release and Sleep. And see, this is the new one, minus the sinus for a season like this. But just keep on looking. We get Immune Booster, and then we will have for the festive season a special on the website for only $23. We thank our suppliers for helping us to do this. They had a long and difficult time to cut down on their prices, but they brought it down to $23 only. Can you believe that? You need even better news than that. If somebody, this is for all people all over the globe that wants to buy this product, but if people come in and they buy when they are a member, there's a $6 discount. Then the price for members, if they buy it on the shopping mall, will only be $17. Now tell me you can beat that price. For the quality of the product that we have, 90 capsules into a bottle, people, this is out of this world. So really, really, If you know people that needs these products, tell them about the special price of 23. But tell them if they get membership, it's once off $10 and then they have $6 per item every time they buy. I mean, buy two bottles and you have made up everything you've spent and you are in Hope Expanders for life. This is just health and wellness is just a small part of who we are. We've got online products like courses, Unlock Your Potential, Success Coaching, Alive in 55, a lot of other courses that'll blow your mind. We've got digital business cards, we've got accounting and product management as software that you can buy at a very good price. We've got a bookshop with powerful books. Coming is jewelry, coming is a lot of other things that we want to show you. And before the festive season starts, you will see those products coming online. We've got anointing oils and skin enhancement and a lot of things that's coming, even electronics, very, very soon. So just watch this space. This is a main part of who we are as a company, to have this shopping mall and helping you to buy at affordable prices, and it will be shipped to your doorstep. So many more products, as you know, are coming. If you don't find the shopping mall at this stage, with these price difference, the price that is discounted so much, our developers had to sit down and say, okay, let's take it off the site, work on the sideline. Perhaps you will see some of it back tomorrow or the day thereafter, and then gradually you will see the shopping mall just growing exponentially. Thank you to our developers. We also have Hope Meals to feed the hungry and the homeless. It's white labeled for Hope Expanders. There's 13 wonderful, delicious flavors: chicken biryani, mutton stew, chakalaka, and many, many more. So how does it work? The movement of products and positions. As $10 product is purchased plus a $2 administration fee, you are placed in this silver phase. You get your product, the transaction is done, but you get a position in this business. The system will automatically push you through 5 phases and give you a new product for the next phase, plus a cash incentive when completing each phase. Everything automated without any extra money from your pocket. It'll take time, but you will be pushed through, and the small amount that you join for will grow exponentially as you receive more products and commission. So let's look at the accelerators, the products, and the commissions, and where you're going to move to. So at the silver phase, the $10 phase, just look at this. We added another product, Unleash Abundance, Secrets to Multiple Streams Revealed. This is a product that we just put into the system today. Within this little booklet, you will have 72 options of businesses that you can start at bootstrap level without having any money to start. No investment capital needed. And then we've got 25 companies that if you've got a small amount of money, you can really start with that and build through it. You also get your Unlock Your Potential course Sunday evenings, and then on the LMS, the Learning Management System, you also get your basic V card. So you will see where to do that in a while. And at the end of the silver phase, you will get $40 into your pocket and be moved to the sapphire phase of $100. And then Success Coaching is the next product. Very expensive product at a very low price. You get the health product, Energy Booster Plus, and those of us who uses it, we will tell you, wow, what a wonderful product, organic, out of this world. And you get $100 into your pocket. And then you move to the gold phase, the $300 phase. At this phase, the product is digital currency. You get a health product, $100 Power Fix, and you get an opportunity to go into a new business because we want you to prosper. So we will help you to get into a new business stream, and 10 products will be placed by Hope Expanders in the hands of very, very poor people. At the end of this phase, you will get $400 in your pocket and you will move to the diamond phase. There's the $700 phase, personal transformation training, Alive at 55. You get a $100 brain enhancement product, and $50 will be placed by HE in the poorest of poor hands. And you get $1,000 into your pocket. And just look at this. As you are moved to the next phase, you also be put back into the sapphire phase to start earning again and again. The executive phase, 2,500, cyber innovation, Internet of Things, very, very, very expensive courses that you get actually at a fraction of the price. You also get the $100 immune booster, and 100 products of $10 each will be placed by HE into hands of those who really need it. And then a whopping $4,000 into your pocket. And just look at this. And at the end of this phase, you will be put back again the second time into sapphire, but also into gold, also into diamond, also into executive. And if you understand this, then you are in a loop of earning and earning and earning again. Isn't that wonderful? The total you will earn is 5,540. We know it will take some time, but I mean, for $10, why not wait? So, how to join? You go to www.hopeexpanders.com. At the top right-hand side, you see these three options, Hope Expanders or the Business Alliance or the organizations. You click on the blue one if you want to register for the $10 option, the silver phase. And after registration, when you clicked on this, you proceed with your payment. Your payment can be made in crypto. It can be made with your credit card. So how to complete your registration payment? You follow the steps below to finish your purchase and submit your proof of payment. Now, people, when you get to this page, you know what will happen? This will happen. A pop-up like this will pop up. It gives you step-by-step guide. When you want it to disappear, you just click on got it. It'll disappear. And then there's a button. If you want it to reappear, you can just click on that and it will reappear. So what we do is we take you through these steps. In the first place, choose the correct system and payment type. At the top of this page, you say it's silver. I want to pay with my credit card. Then you select the bundle or products you purchased. In the options section, you use the quick checkout button to complete your payment if you still need to pay. Then you enter your transaction details, your TX ID, the amount, the network, and the from address. The from address is if you pay with crypto, there will be from. That is the address. You just highlight it and you copy it and you bring it into this place and you put it in the confirmation section. Don't worry if this sounds a little overwhelming, because this pop-up will guide you through every step. Great 10 people will be able to do that easily. Add any notes and then upload your payment screenshot. That's very important. When you upload your screenshot, the team can verify your payment. And we want to do that. We won't admit anybody if we didn't verify that, because there's a lot of scams out in this world. You need to see the steps again. You just click on the view guide button and this same pop-up will appear again. It cannot be easier than this, people. Really. So, the good news, on your back office download, on the left-hand side of the page, you see a button that you can click on to get the download of Unleash Abundance. And even if you are in this business for some time, if you are a member, you click on that, you will be able to download it. Please don't distribute it and sell it. You shoot yourself and us in the feet. This is yours and yours only. And on your back office, at the same place on your left-hand side, you click on VCard, you add the VCard. At the VCard section, you complete your details and you become a professional VCard user. Just tap your phone to another phone and people will know who you are and what you do exactly. Isn't that beautiful? So become a Hope Expander ambassador, feel the powerful impact of our life-changing products. Step into financial freedom. Success will not come tomorrow unless you start today. We want to give you this option. Restore hope to those in need. Look out for our next training session. Everything will be explained in detail. Register immediately with a referral link, and we will see you at the top. God bless.